Hello, I'm Kyle Bradshaw from Nelson-Rigg, and today I want to show you 4 perfect tank bags for your Harley-Davidson Pan America. Now these tank bags can be easily swapped out one for another depending on the type of trip that you're going on. We have the Hurricane Adventure and Hurricane Dual Sport. We also have the Trails End Adventure and the Trails End Dual Sport. Depending on the type of conditions that you're riding in, you might want one over the other. The 2 Trails End versions come with rain covers, but if you're looking for 100% waterproof protection, the Hurricane line has you covered. Now we have full technical detailed breakdowns of each of these bags linked down below. Today we're going to show you how easy the installation is on your Pan America and what your bike looks like with each of these bags installed. Now the neat part about these 4 tank bags is the fact that they all utilize the same strap system. We have 2 individual straps that run down the side of the motorcycle and girth hitch to a frame rail, and we have a U-shaped harness that goes down and around the headstock of the motorcycle. Once you've run these straps one time, it's basically a set it and forget it. You can now swap from the Hurricane to the Trails End, and you can swap from the Adventure to the Dual Sport in both the Trails End textile version and the Hurricane waterproof version. Now specifically for the Pan America, we're going to take our 2 girth hitch straps and find a frame rail to come down to. Now looking at where the motor sits, how the tank comes down, we found that these 2 frame rails right here just under the seat were the perfect spot for installation. So we're going to take this strap, we're going to slide it down behind the frame rail. We're then going to come up through the loop on the other end to create a girth hitch. Once we've repeated that process on the other side, we're going to come back up through our crossover strap. Now what this is good for is when you disconnect these straps from the tank bag, they're only going to fall so far. They're not going to dangle down into your motor and onto your exhaust. The front strap, we're going to go ahead and take this U-shaped strap here. It's basically a solid strap that has a male buckle on each end. We're going to take one end out of our crossover strap. Now on this Pan America, there's a nice mounting bolt just in front of the tank, just below the steering stabilizer. So we're going to just put the strap down underneath that tab and bring it up the other side. You're going to want to make sure that you bring your elastic strap keeper with it. Now that we have the strap run down around the front of the motorcycle, I'll show you a trick that I like to use when doing tank bags. I'm only going to leave about 4 or 5 inches of strap over here on this side right here. I'm then going to go ahead and connect my tank bag, and I'm going to adjust the straps to the perfect location or height that I'm going to want it. What that short end on one side is going to do is it's going to allow me to use that side for micro adjustments without ever having to take the rest of the excess out of our elastic strap keeper. We're going to go ahead and make our connection and pull the strap tight. With this excess strap right here, we're going to roll it back on itself and tuck it into our elastic strap keeper and tuck it down and out of the way. Now the last procedure here is going to be to take our crossover strap and feed our male buckle through the crossover strap. Again, this crossover strap just keeps your buckles from falling down into the motorcycle when getting fuel or removing the tank bag from the bike. And that's it. That's how simple it is to install a Nelson-Rigg tank bag on your Pan America. Again, a neat feature about this is the fact that you can swap from this bag here to any of the other tank bags in our lineup using the same mounting straps. Now, a question that we get is how difficult is it to fuel up when using a Nelson-Rigg tank bag? Well, it's actually really simple. There's 2 different ways you could do it. You could disconnect these 2 lower clips right here and put your tank bag up into the dash. As you can see, our keeper right here is keeping these straps from falling down into the motor or the exhaust. We now have complete access to our fuel tank for filling up the motorcycle. The other way that you could do this is you could go just the opposite. We'll leave our lower straps attached, and this is how our bag sits as we're riding down the road. Get to the gas station, we can disconnect these 2 upper clamps, fold the tank bag back on the seat. We could fill up our motorcycle, and then we're finished. We simply bring the tank bag back forward and connect our quick release buckles here at the top. It's just that simple to get fuel while using a Nelson-Rigg tank bag. Again, these bags are all universal as far as mounting straps go, so it doesn't matter if you're using the Hurricane tank bag or if you're using the Trails End tank bag, if you're using the Dual Sport or the Adventure. All 4 of these tank bags take the same mounting strap, the same mounting system, and all you need to do is micro adjust the straps to get that perfect fit on your machine. And there you have it, folks, 4 different tank bags for your Harley-Davidson Pan America. If you have any questions about what we've done here today, please leave a comment down below. And if you want to see the full detailed breakdown of the Dual Sport or Enduro Trails End or Hurricane tank bag, we've got the links down below. Or if you're looking for a larger bag, we have the Trails End and the Hurricane in the Adventure format. I'm Carl Bradshaw. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care and ride safe out there.